Get your kids using citations in Google Docs. Alright, so I'm writing this report and it's going to be about sharks. And I'm adding some facts and I go to this great website right here. And what am I going to do? I need to cite this website because I got information from it. So I'm going to go down here to citation and I'm going to change it to APA style because that's the one that my teacher has asked for me to use. Alright, and then I'm going to add the source. And my source isn't going to be from a book, it's going to be from a website. So now it wants the URL for that website. So I copied it, I pasted it, and now I'm going to search. And it's going to give me the website information right here. So I'm going to go ahead and say that this is the source that I want to cite. So I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more information in here. Alright, and I want to add the citation to my document. Alright, and it's going to put this right inside my document for me. This is really kind of awesome. We struggled with that one, I know, when I was in school. So now I put in the information and it even gave me the footnote at the bottom. So now I have cited my website properly within my document. This is amazing. This works on books and everything else that you can think of to cite within Google. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.